What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, Redmi Note 11 Pro, Redmi Note 10 or any of the Xiaomi smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you are locked out of your smartphone. So here we go. So here is my Redmi Note 11. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN, password and I'm logged out of my device on this screen. So usually to remove any kind of security, you need to turn it off from the settings or you need to perform a hard reset to wipe every security options active on your smartphone. But since you are logged out of the device, you cannot go to the home screen or the setting to do this. I'm going to show you how you can perform a hard reset right from your lock screen here. But you have to keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you got in the internal storage of the device will be deleted. And if you were using your Google account on the device, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential before you start using the device after performing a hard reset. So here I am at the lock screen of my Redmi Note 11. The first thing you have to do is switch off the device by tapping on the power off. After pressing the power off button, now the device is switched off. So what you have to do, you need to press the power key and volume up key together. Press and hold them like this. Once the Mi logo appears on the screen, you can move the finger from the power key but keep pressing the volume up until this screen appears. So you can see that we are inside the recovery menu of Xiaomi's Mi UI and we got few options. One of them is the wipe data. So this is the option we are going to use to perform a hard reset. You can navigate between the options using the volume keys going up and down, and you can use the power key to select any of these options. So just use the volume key to go to wipe data. After that, press the power key once. On the next screen, it will show you two options. Use the volume down to go to wipe all data, and then press the power key one more time. Then it will show you this warning message that whatever content you got will be deleted and this cannot be undone. This is what exactly I told you. So now you need to go to confirm, and after that press the power key one more time. And you can see wiping of the data is successfully completed. Now just press the power key to go back to the main menu. Reboot option is selected by default, so press the power key once to go to this screen and once again press the power key to reboot to system. It will take a bit time, so I'm just gonna keep the device here, and after that we will have a look at whether we really got the access back to our device or not. But we will have to go through all of the settings and stuff because we will start totally fresh with our Redmi Note 11 here. So as you can see that we are starting fresh with our Redmi Note 11. So I'm going to go through this setup process, and after that we will see whether we really got the access back to our Redmi Note 11 here or not. So you can see once again it is asking me to set the screen lock. That means the previous one is gone, but let's finish the process and let's see whether we are going to get to our home screen or not. And here we go. So you can see that now I am at my home screen and it is no more asking me to enter a PIN on my Redmi Note 11. So this is how you can remove any kind of security from your Xiaomi smartphone, whether it is Redmi Note 11, Note 10, Mi 11, Mi 12, whatever smartphone you got from Xiaomi. You can use this method to remove any kind of security, the lock screen PIN, password, fingerprint ID, if you no longer remember it and it is not working for whatever reason on your smartphone. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.